order to do a tire change, you need PPE, which is safety glasses, steel-toed boots, and earmuffs.
What you need for this activity, you're going to need a 33 millimeter socket, impact wrench and a torque wrench, jacks, wheel chocks, and an air jack to jack up the truck.
You're gonna want to chalk your front tire. Put one in the back and one in the front. You're good.
In order to get the truck lifted up, you are going to need to connect a air hose to the jack. Get the jack positioned on under the axle or in the middle of the axle that you are going to be lifting up. And once that's complete, you start jacking it up.
Our axle's lifted. We're gonna put some jack stands under it so it won't fall on
Now that we have our jacks in place, we're gonna unscrew the knob to let the air jack lower onto the jacks. Once that is done, tighten it again, and just for safety measures so it doesn't fall on us, jack up the air jack just a little bit.
Now that we have located our damaged tire, we're gonna take off the lug nuts and then we'll start from there.
Once you've taken off your tire, you're gonna need to find where that tire is damaged, take it to a tire shop, have them patch it, or if you want, buy a whole new tire itself. And once you're done with that, do the same steps in reverse.
Now that we put the tire back on, we're gonna use the impact drill to tighten the lug nuts.
Alright, now that I have our tire back on, we're gonna lift the axle off the jack stand so we can then lower it and torque the lug nuts back. Alright, now someone's gonna go under there and take the jack stands off. Alright, now that we got our jack stands out of the axle, we're gonna lower the axle.
Now that we lowered the tire, we're gonna torque the lug nuts to 450 foot-pounds and star pattern.
Why are you recording like that?
Nice temp.
It's starting to look strong.